Across many of the Reginox stainless steel sink ranges, you'll find an abundance of sinks that can be fitted in a multitude of different ways. This means that dependent on your worktop material, you can bring 3 different fitting options that will help create stunning designs within your kitchen sink area. The main types of fitting style are based around 3 different options. These are Undermount, or as it's sometimes known, underbuilt, integrated or flush fitted, and traditionally inset. Starting with Undermount, this is where the sink sits under the worktop and shows the depth and composition of the worktop material. This also creates the impression of a deeper sink bowl and can look absolutely stunning. Integrated or flush fitting is where the worktop is routed out to allow for the sink lip to sit flush with the worktop. This creates a smooth and seamless link between the sink and the worktop and can look simply amazing. Finally, Inset is a more traditional style where the sink lip sits on top of the worktop and is clipped and/or siliconed into place to create a watertight finish. With Reginox sinks that have the multi-fit options, they can be fitted in any of the 3 ways described. This makes our range incredibly versatile and flexible. It may be worth checking with either your worktop supplier or your fitter to explore which options are best for you and your chosen kitchen. Whichever one that you choose, you can be sure that you'll end up with a stunning sink set into your worktop to create a beautiful and eye-catching design.